How to delete Chase Bank transaction history. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete or hide your Chase Bank transaction history. So first, sign in to your Chase account, either on your mobile app or on the desktop. So once you are logged in, go to your dashboard where you will find your spending summary. Click on that to view your transaction history. While you can permanently delete your transaction history, you can hide individual transactions. Simply click on a specific transaction and you should see the option to hide it. You can repeat this process for any other transactions you want to hide from your history. And that's it. While you cannot delete your transaction history permanently, hiding transactions is a quick solution. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.